Welcome everyone. Question on vapor density. The vapor density of CO2 is, choices are A. 44, B. 22, C. 16, D. 12. Answer is B. 22. Explanation we will see in the next slide. We know that vapor density is equal to molar mass by 2. Therefore, vapor density is equal to 44. It is the molar mass of CO2 by 2, or vapor density is equal to 22. Thank you for watching this video.